Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find affiliate links. To find affiliate links on Amazon, start by logging into your Amazon account on your computer. Once logged in, explore products in your niche by clicking on bestsellers to discover popular items. Scroll through the list to explore more products. When you find a product you want to promote, click on it to view all the details. In a new tab, open affiliate-program.amazon.com and sign up for the Amazon Associates program by entering your email address and creating a password. Next, provide your account information, including your primary Amazon.com account address. Then add your website and mobile app or Alexa skill URL. Confirm if your traffic sources target children under 13. After confirming, choose your preferred associate store ID. Describe the content you create and select how you heard about the program. In the provided box, write "I create how to use Amazon links" and type the characters shown in the image. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Finish to generate your unique associate link. Optionally, you can enter your payment and tax information now or later. Navigate to the Tools section and click on SiteStripe to access your associate's SiteStripe, which allows you to quickly and easily link to any page on Amazon. Return to Amazon, select the product you wish to promote, and refresh the page. Click on Get Link Text to obtain your text link, which you can customize into a short or full link to share with your audience. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.